Today we talk about how can you delete account on your Talkie app. We will to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click in this sign down here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on the list account here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list, just waiting to open with you here. Then you click here on the activate account here. Then automatically it's going to delete your account on your Talkie app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.